Hi everyone. So in this topic we will discuss a new point, that is a null space of T or this kernel of T, and in next lecture we will see its a next point, that is a range of T. Okay. So before we start these points, so firstly we will discuss its a basic concept. So for that purpose just consider one thing, that is let T from V to U. So this is my transformation, this is my linear transformation, or we can call it as a homomorphism. Let us start with its definition with the graphical method. So this is my domain and this is my codomain. If this is domain and domain is represented by V, and if this is my codomain, then codomain is represented by U, and transformation T is on between them. Okay, so this is my transformation from V to U. When we have so many elements from this V, and these elements transformed to only one point, that is all these points transform to only one point, that is a 0 bar, then this procedure is nothing but a null space of T. That means to create the definition of this null space or kernel of T, firstly observe one thing, this kernel of T is denoted by this KERT, that is kernel of T, and it is defined by this element, that is kernel of T, all these elements from domain, that is V, and when we apply T on these all domain, then we will get its answer, that is its range is equal to how much, 0 bar. Then how to create its definition, all these elements from which element, V, therefore consider small v belongs to this capital V, that means these are my small elements and these are from capital V, such that when we apply this T on these elements, that is T of V is equal to, then we will get its answer is equal to how much, 0 bar. Therefore T of V is equal to how much, 0 bar. So we have created this definition with the help of this graphical method. Now write this definition properly, that is let our function where it from T from V to U, that is let T from V to U be a linear transformation or homomorphism, then kernel T is defined as, that is kernel of T is equal to this definition, that is V belongs to this capital V, such that T of V is equal to 0 bar. It is also called as null space of T. Now observe one thing, that is we have created this definition, that is kernel T equal to this definition, and this definition is comes from this graphical structure. Okay, when we apply T on this all the elements from V, then we will get its answer in codomain. That means kernel T, this kernel T is totally depends on this domain elements, all the domain elements, and domain is represented by V. Therefore this my kernel T is always a subspace of V. It depends on only on a domain, therefore my kernel T is always a subspace of V.